Hey, Avisu here. In this video, I'll show you how my coaching student, Connor Chapman, went from $0 to $11,000 a day in just 11 days. We will show you step by step how Connor tested the product, how he scaled the product to $11,000 a day in 11 days. And at the end of the video, we'll also show Connor's profits, and we'll also show you the ads manager as well.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Connor Chapman, and I started dropshipping back in November. But as you guys can see, in the month of February, Ivy and I took my store to a whole nother level. So we started at $24 in sales back in February 18th, and then just yesterday we hit $11,000 in sales. So make sure you guys stay till the end of the video. We're going to be sharing all the profits. We're going to be sharing our ad strategy going into the Facebook Ads Manager, and it's going to be a really exciting one. So hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Hey, real quick. So I'm giving away a winning product, the Facebook ad, also the targeting. All you need to do is to be subscribed, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video with friends. And the winner will be announced in the next video's description. Hey, it's really nice to see all of your smiling faces. Let's get right now into the case study. So what you will learn, how we found the winner, then the Facebook ad strategy, the Facebook ads myth that nobody talks about. We are also going to show you day by day how we launched the ad sets and which ad sets did we launch. We're also going to show you the screenshots of the sales, the ads manager, and stuff like that. And also, guys, in my next video, I'll show you, like me and Connor will show you that Facebook ads manager and profit day by day. And we'll also give you our best tips. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification so you don't miss the video. Finding the winner. So we used my old winner method, and I found the product which was a winner last year, and also I think the year before that as well. So how you can find old winners yourself is use Facebook search for videos in 2018, 2019, and find an ad that has at least 5,000 shares. So the Facebook testing strategy, we use one video ad, one thumbnail, and we didn't split test anything. I gave Connor feedback on the video ad, the thumbnail, and the ad copy, and then he kind of changed it, and then I gave him the green light to launch it. And we launched it straight with WC purchase. We didn't do any PP, any traffic. Even if you have a new pixel, just go straight to WC purchase. Don't ask me why. People who live in tier 1 countries, so here's the list of all of those countries. It's 11 of them. We launch it at 25 to 65 plus. I don't like targeting people around 18. Those people usually don't buy, they don't have the money, right? So we target people slightly older. We use automatic placement and we use one-day click. For launching all of these ad sets, we just do 8 ad sets, $5 a day. So how do you determine if a product is a winner? Well, a winner should give you sales on day 1, day 2, day 3. So it's gonna give you consistent sales. Also, another quick tip is we turn off ad sets if the cost per link click is over $1.5. And also, if you have a new ad set and it had spent $10 and didn't get an add to cart, just turn it off. But keep in mind, these numbers change depending on your country targeting or also on your product margin as well. So a common Facebook ads myth that nobody talks about is you do not just blindly follow a strategy. Like, don't just blindly follow a guru, step by step. The thing is, the scaling strategy for everyone might be slightly different. Your scaling strategy needs to be adjusted to your product margin, to your level of confidence, and also most important to your day-to-day results that you're getting so far. There isn't the best strategy that works for everybody. I'm not saying my strategy, is the best. The thing is, a lot of testing and scaling strategies works. You just need to choose one, test it, and go with it. So day 1, that was 18th of February. So Connor launched 9 interest ad sets at $5 a day. As I said before, I recommend 8, 9. That's the same thing, guys. So don't really look at that. And we got 1 sale. The thing is, we can see 2 sales. I think that was just a mistake from Facebook, because in reality, we just got 1 sale on day 1. So day 2, we added 8 interest ad sets at $5 a day. And day 2 was pretty bad. So the ROAS was very low. It was less than 1. But we got 4 sales, we got $200 a day. So day 3, we added another 8 ad sets at $5 a day because the previous day we just weren't sure, so we just added just a little bit. Day 3 was much better, so we got $300 in sales, and the ROAS was just way better. It was almost 2 ROAS. So day 4, we added 8 assets, $5 a day of regular interest assets, and we also chose the best 5 interest assets that we already had, and we put them in a campaign budget optimization campaign at $100 a day. And just a quick note that all of our CBOs, campaign budget optimization campaigns, are 5 assets in general. And so that day we hit $508. And day 5, so we added 20 interest assets at $10 a day. We also added some retargeting with the same video at $5 to $10 a day. And that day we hit $737, and the ROAS kind of went down. But we were still pretty confident. So on day 6, what we did is we added 10 assets at $30 a day of interest assets. We added 5 assets at $20 a day with narrowed down, we just narrowed it down by the best age ranges and the best placements. Also, we added another 5 assets at $10 a day for lookalike 50% video view. We also added dynamic product ads, DPA ads for retargeting, but that just completely didn't work. We added CBOs, so we added $100 a day CBO interest assets, and we added another $100 a day lookalike 50% video view. And what we always do right now with Connor is whenever we launch a lookalike, we launch it into a CBO, and we also launch it with the regular straight assets with a budget, with each asset having its own budget. And also all of our lookalikes are 1%, 1 to 3%, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, and 7 to 10%. So day 6, we hit $1,499. The ROAS was almost 2, so it was very good. And as you guys can see, the reporting is kind of off. We had 1,499 in sales, but in Ads Manager it's showing more. Day 7, so we launched CBOs at $100 a day, 50% video view lookalikes. We also added them, at $25 a day as a regular assets for the video view 75 lookalikes. And we also chose the best assets, and we put them into a CBO. So 5 best assets, we put it in the CBO at $200 a day. And at the end of the day, we hit $2,400. The ROAS was 2.05, so that's improving. Day 8, we launched a CBO for the lookalike, a video view 95% at $100 a day. We also launched a CBO at $100 a day, view content lookalike. And also with those lookalikes, the view content and the video view, we added them at $20 a day into our testing campaign as well. And we also added another 10 to 20 interest assets at $20 to $30 a day. And at the end of the day, we hit $3,100. So for day 9, we launched a CBO at $100 a day for the lookalike video view 10 seconds. We also launched another CBO $100 a day with interest assets, which were narrowed down by placement and age ranges. It was a completely new interest. And also we added another $200 a day CBO, and we just chose one best interest, just one, and we split tested the placement. So it was just one interest, the same interest, but 5 assets, and each of them had just different placement, age, gender, and stuff like that. We also added another 10 assets at $15 a day that were just very random, and very broad and very random and unrelated to our product at all. For example, think of travel, beauty, cooking, gardening, survival, just completely unrelated. And so we added around 10 of those. And we also added some other interest assets at around $15 to $30 a day. And at the end of the day, we hit $5,445. Day 10, we chose one of the best CBOs, and we doubled the budget from $10 to $20 a day. So we just we just go into the campaign and we just edit the budget to $200 a day. We also chose the same CBO, and we duplicated it into a $200 a day CBO as well. And we also added a $100 a day CBO lookalike for website visitors. And we also added another $100 a day CBO for lookalike add to cart. And we also added some interest assets at $15 to $30 a day. And because I was kind of thinking, I was talking to Connor at the end of the coaching call. We were basically having daily coaching calls since like several days ago. We were just having daily coaching calls when we were scaling because there was just so much work to do. So basically, I just decided, Connor, like we were just being very, very kind of like timid. We were being very, very kind of scared and shy. So I was like, Connor, let's launch a $1,000 a day CBO for the lookalikes add to carts. So Connor launched it, and at the end of the day, we hit $8,384. And as you guys can see, the ROAS actually improved to 2.17. Previously, it was 2.07, right? So it just improved as well. So for day 11, we added a lot of CBO. So we added a $300 a day for lookalike for purchase, $300 a day CBO lookalike for initiate checkout, $300 a day for very random, big, broad interest. So again, think of like travel, cooking, gardening, beauty, and stuff like that. So 5 assets of those, like really random. And by the way, that also worked pretty well. That was also profitable as well, guys. The very random CBO with random interest targeting that was completely unrelated. We also added another, 10 assets at $30 a day for all of those lookalikes, the purchase and initiate checkout. And we also added another 10 assets at $30 a day, and we just narrowed down the interest assets by the best, age ranges, placements, and stuff like that as well. And at the end of the day, we hit $11,304. We actually made a small mistake. Is we hit our ad spend limit for the ad account. So we spent $5,000, which is the limit on each, like on all of the ad accounts that are just starting out, and we just hit it. We didn't expect to have such a good day. Like I was expecting that we would be turning off some ads throughout the day, and we'd just barely hit 5,000. But that day was so good that we just kind of, that we just hit the limit, $5,000 a day, and we just weren't able to spend the last 1 or 2 hours, So otherwise, we could have hit maybe 13K that day as well on day 11.
So I know what you guys are thinking, right? You guys want to see the actual results. You want to see the proof. So here we are in my ads manager. As you guys can see, February 18th to February 28th at the top, and we have $31,000 in sales with over 1,000 purchases. Going into my order metrics, we also have 1,000 orders and over $30,000 in revenue.
So let's talk about the Ivy Zoo effect. So as you guys know, Connor started around in November, and he managed himself to get to around $1,000 a day. And also, during January, he started coaching with me, and as you guys can see, he has been working with my coaching for around 1 month or 1.5 months, and we're just doing a lot of work. Like Connor is a really hard working guy, and we're just improving his store, improving his marketing skills, understanding the market, creating really good video ads and stuff like that. And then I found the winner, and basically we just scaled the product very, very fast. So as you guys can see, it was just in 11 days, we went from $0 to $11,000 a day in just 11 days. So Ecom Dream Team is a premium coaching program that is coming soon. For now, no further information will be revealed until launch, which will be maybe in the next video, maybe in a few weeks, So guys, make sure to stay tuned, turn on post notification. It will be launched. Just don't miss out. So guys, support this channel. Let's make this video viral. So guys, this video took 1 day to make. My other videos also take almost like a day or, a whole day just to plan, prepare, shoot, edit, and publish. So guys, make sure to share this video with your friends. That's really helpful. If you guys share with friends so they learn as well. So send them a link, share it, in Facebook groups, or share it, on your Facebook feed as well. Like this video, comment on this video, hashtag Ecom Dream Team or hashtag Ivy League, or leave as many comments as possible. It really supports this channel. It helps me grow. And guys, in the next video, we'll also show you with Connor, like the ads manager and the profit day by day, and we're also gonna give you some of our best tips as well. So just turn on post notification. Don't miss my next video. Also guys, check out my student Connor. He's also documenting his journey on YouTube. He's also showing his profits, his ads manager. So he's kind of like a copy of me. So he's kind of like the white version of Ivy Zoo, right? So you guys have a yellow version of Ivy Zoo. Connor is the white version of Ivy Zoo. Just kind of more bulky, kind of like more more jacked, you know, not as me. I'm really skinny. So guys, check out his YouTube channel, Connor Chapman, also his Instagram, Connor Chapman. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.